Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is not an automobile diagnostic video. Yes, I'm sorry. It is going to be a little tip repair on a toaster oven that's quit working. And the mechanism is an electronic mechanism. I mean, the switch and everything is on the right side, so I decided to take out the right side. It was just a few screws. That you just pop, well, not here, but towards the bottom, towards the side, and this whole thing pops out. This cover pops out, and so on. But the elements inside seem to be okay. So I would, it would be plugged in. I would press the start button, and I would hear a click, but the elements inside would not turn on. And I was looking for issues, like what could be the problem. And in the panel itself, the digital panel, I found the problem. So this is the digital control panel. If I turn it around, this is what controls everything. This is fine. However, there's a little subunit here that has a ribbon cable and a couple of relays, and that's where the issue was. So hopefully I could show this on video. I don't know if you can see that. That's a little blackened area which probably burnt out. And if you flip this, well, actually in place of that, if you see these spade connectors, there was one spade connector, and this is what you can see it's not in the best, it's seen better days. So if I flip this around, but right here, that's where it burnt out. So yeah, this is a bad solder joint. Some of them don't look good as well. I'm gonna have to go over probably all these bad joints. But oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's where it burnt out. That's what the issue is. So if you have, I'm gonna put the model number, I'll put it in the description. So if you have one of these toaster ovens and it suddenly stops working, this could be a reason. This could be the issue. So I hope this video helps somebody out. I apologize, it's not a video for car repair, but this was the issue at hand. I couldn't toast anything, and this was bugging me. So I said, instead of ordering a new one, let's see what's the issue with this one. And there it was. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, here's a little bonus footage. It's not repaired until I can prove that it's repaired, right? So let's see. Plugged it in, put it back together. I'm gonna press toast. Lights up. Now, before I repaired it, I would press start and nothing would happen. Now, we're looking for redness. Come on, come on. Don't let me down. Live, it's not a live video, but regardless. Oh, I think I see a little redness right there. Oh yeah. Well, there you go, guys. So, yep, it's definitely heating up. So all it required was a little solder. So, thanks for watching.